Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Leah Simone,
and today I'm about to put you up on game, okay?
I'm about to show you how to apply your lashes just like this, and people gonna be like, "Ooh girl, is them your lashes?" Because that's what they be saying to me. I know a lot of you ladies struggle with putting on your lashes for whatever reasons, but today I'm about to bless you, okay? You're gonna be slaying after today. Make sure after this video you go and watch my last video, which was my natural makeup look, and I'll go ahead and tag it up here so you have no excuse like, "Oh, I didn't see it, it's right here." So stay tuned, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. So you want to make sure you have your mascara, your tweezers, your lashes, of course, some glue, and a compact mirror. And I also have my standing mirror as well. So you can use a standing mirror if if that's easier for you. So first, you always want to put mascara on your lashes. So this gets your lashes prepared for the false lashes. You just want to put one light coat. You don't need too much mascara. Don't be having it all caked up on there. Just have one light coat. Okay. So I find it easier to use tweezers because you can really get close to your lash line versus with your fingers. You can't really get that close, but I do end up using my fingers. So now we're gonna grab our lashes and make sure you put them on the right eye. You wanna make sure you look at which lash is short. So most of the time, the lash on what's gonna go on the inside corner is a little bit shorter than the outside. You can kind of tell. Okay, so you want to go ahead and put on the glue, and I like to use duo glue. I mean, some people use hair glue, but that does take out your lashes if you ask me, so I just stick with the duo glue. Some people say it doesn't work for them. It works fine for me as long as I put my lashes on right. So you're gonna apply the glue, and you want to apply a good amount of glue, not like a huge glob, but definitely enough. I don't know if you can tell. And you want to put it not at the very top, you want to put it towards the bottom, like the bottom side, if that makes sense. So not at the very top, towards the bottom, and you just let it dry. Okay, so this is the major key. You want to make sure that the glue gets tacky. If the glue is not tacky, sis, your lash will not apply right, okay? Take it from me, make sure that the glue gets tacky. And usually you can kind of tell because the glue starts to get a little darker. When you first apply it, usually it's kind of light, and then it starts to get a little darker. If you're a beginner, this may take some trial and error just to kind of get used to knowing, how tacky the glue is, but you want to let it, kind of dry up a little bit before you actually go to apply your lashes. Okay, so once the glue is tacky, you're ready to apply your lashes. So you're gonna grab your compact mirror and you're gonna place it down. So you're looking down at the mirror, and you're gonna start and place your lash in the middle first. So we're gonna lay it on there in the middle. And make sure you're below your eyelid, like you wanna be right where your eyelid and your lashes meet. So then we're gonna go ahead and apply the outer corner. So I go middle, outer corner, and then inner corner. And the reason I do that is because my outer corner lashes are so curly, so I have to make sure that I really get that outer corner laid. And then you're gonna go to the inner corner. And you wanna make sure that that inner piece is like you like push it up into your lash line and your eyelid. So you're kind of pushing it up in there, like shoving it right up in there so that your eyelid kind of sticks on top of it. If that makes sense. So then I'm gonna go back over the whole lash and just make sure that the whole lash is stuck to my lash line. And then I'm gonna grab the other side of the tweezers and I'm gonna kind of push my eyelid on top of the lash line of the lash. So kind of right on top, push it down. And what this is doing is it's gonna help look more like it's my lash. Then I'm gonna pinch it and kind of do the same thing. Fold that eyelid over your lash line. And every once in a while, I mean, you know, it's just very tedious, but it's not hard to do it all. But, you know, sometimes my inner corner is not stuck like it needs to be, and I'll have to put just a little bit of glue on the tweezers, just a little bit, and then I use that part and put a little bit of glue on the lash line. That way you don't have to take the whole lash off just because you're missing glue in that inner corner. So again, you know, push your eyelid, let it fold over that lash line, and with my one lash on, thinking I'm cute already. Okay, so now we're gonna apply the other lash. And again, I use my tweezers the whole time. They're like my best friend during this whole process. Okay, make sure you have enough glue, because if you don't have enough glue, the lash is not gonna stay, okay? But make sure you have enough glue. Then you're just gonna let it dry. Okay, so now we're ready to apply the second lash. The glue's already pretty much tacky. As you can see, it's darker. And go ahead and grab your mirror. And remember, set it in the middle first. So we're gonna start, lay it in the middle. Then you're gonna lay the outer corner. Make sure it's, you know, it's on at the outer corner, because you want it to blend with your lashes. Make sure you're pushing it up in underneath your eyelid. And look, it looks like I'm gonna need a little bit more glue on my outer corner. Sometimes that happens, but it's a little annoying, but I mean, then you can do, just try to put a little bit more glue on the outer corner. That works, because now I can show you guys how I put more glue when it comes lifted. So now I have my glue on my tweezers, and I'm gonna go right in and apply that glue right at the lash, where the lash line basically. Make sure you wipe that glue off, and then apply the lash. And I'm pushing it up in my lash line, guys. I can't stress that enough. Push it up to where it really, this is really the key to making sure it blends. And also folding that eyelid over your lash line. I'm gonna use my fingers and I'm gonna really mesh it together. And if you get a little bit glue on your eyelid, let it dry and then you can kind of just scratch it right off. Because that's gonna happen, sis. I promise you that's gonna happen. Okay, so now our lashes are on and we're cute or whatever. Okay, and I told you guys it wasn't very hard. You just have to know the keys to getting those lashes on, okay? So let me know if this video was helpful to you guys. I really hope that it was. Like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time.